What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's trick tip, we're going to learn 50-50 grinds. Let's go. To learn a 50-50 grind, you need to know how to do an axle stall in transition. All right, so once you've progressed in axle stalls, the next step is to take them to a 50-50 grind. Now, don't let them scare you. They're actually quite easy once you learn how to do it. So follow these steps and you'll be a master in no time. All right, so 50-50 grinds is something you want to make sure you're actually carving into them. So you can go straight up and get a grind, but trust me, it's a lot easier to actually carve into that coping and then get your trucks up and do a grind that way. With an axle stall, the reason why it's easy to get up on there and do a stall is because you're going directly up the ramp, turning into a stall. You've got no momentum to keep yourself sliding. That's why you're actually staying there as a stalled trick. So if you carve up the ramp, that is the best way to get on there. All right, so the way you need to have your board locked up to actually do a 50-50 grind is once you come up the coping, you can either lock in toe side all the way, but you need to make sure when you're about to actually drop back in, you bring your tail out into a cross lock position. Now, what that does is when you're about to drop back in, your wheels are pretty much all the way in the ramp and they're not gonna lock up. If you try to come in toe side, you are gonna either lock up and then that way you're gonna get hung up on the coping. It's not good. All right, so the foot positioning for a 50-50 grind is exactly the same as what you'd use to do an axle stall or even just ride around the skate park. You'll have one foot firmly on the bolts at the front and your back foot firmly on the tail. All right, this is exactly how you want to ride when you're about to do a 50-50 grind. I'm not gonna lie, the 50-50 grind will take a lot of practice, but once you do it, you'll almost be able to do it anywhere and you will do it every single time you skate. It is one of the funnest things you'll ever do and is the best way to transition from trick to trick. So definitely keep practicing. If you need any help, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But definitely keep trying and you will get it, trust me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, guys. This camera keeps following me. The camera keeps following me. Stop following me. Yeah, follow this. You following me now? Subscribe for more videos.